Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know you're going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so in this video, we got a comparison video. We're going to be comparing the Jordan 3 Off Noir. There's a GR release, a women's exclusive pair that came out earlier this year. We're going to be comparing those to the A Ma Maniere's Jordan 3s that just came out. The reason why I'm comparing these two, because these are basically both Air Jordan 3 black cement. So one of the biggest differences off the back is see the back tabs for each of these. A Ma Maniere does come with that Nike Air branding. From what I can tell, these are both 11.5 women's, and for some reason why the Jordan A Ma Maniere's look so much bigger. Like putting these side by side, I don't know, like they just look a lot wider for some reason why. So overall, they're both black sneakers at the top. One of the biggest difference again, do have standard elephant print on one. The A Ma Maniere's do have that rugged suede around the toe box. Looking at the side, on the back, do have that rugged suede on one and the normal elephant print on the other one. See, both of these do look similar. They both have that gray outsole at the bottom. Believe it or not, both of these do have a sail midsole. However, the A Ma Maniere seem a little more yellowish, in my opinion. And on camera, you can tell it's picking it up as well. Can't really. The blacks look about the same, although in color, but in hand, as I'm looking at the Jordan 3 Off Noirs, they are a little bit more semi-gloss versus the A Ma Maniere's are more of a flat black. Move around to the rear of the shoe. It is the biggest contrast of them all. That murdered out black versus the Nike Air on the back. Move around to the sides. You do see the similar. This is a purplish, whereas the Off Noirs have that black on the toe. Big difference on the toe box. It's the normal Jordan embroidered that we get with the regular GRs. And you can see that big puffed out. Kind of reminds me of the UNC 3 Jordan Jumpman. Big contrast right there. On the toe, we do have that suede. I do think this is a decent suede on the Off Noirs because you can see that booty backstroke. Its camera is picking it up. And we do have that plush premium tumble leather on the A Ma Maniere. Both of them do come with the wax laces. Feeling the laces. These kind of feel like your standard Jordan laces. A Ma Maniere, I can't say that they're the best. They just look a little bit more textured, kind of like a more waxy appearance. But I wouldn't say they're premium laces because I think maybe you put some leather laces in there, it'll really set that shoe off. But that's just my opinion. Again, you see the front, you do have that gray, as well as that sail midsole coming across the toe box. Moving around to the bottom, both of these do have that gray outsole. This one has that maroon pod, and the other one has that black pod. Both of them have that sail pod at the bottom, and the difference is, because this is a regular GR, we do see the Jordan right here and the Nike branding on the other one. Again, you can tell that this one looks a little bit more white, and this one is a little bit more yellowish, pale. One of the biggest difference. Again, both of these are clean shoes in my opinion. One thing I do like, they did bring that sail back at the top. Gives the shoe pop on the eyelids. On the A Ma Maniere's, they just went with the regular black. But again, it does contrast because you do see that maroon material around the eyelids, so it does still pop. As far as the eyelids at the toe, you do see that maroon that makes the shoe pop. That's one thing that the Off Noirs could have probably done a little bit better because these are just regular black. They probably could have went with the sail, but then that may have been too much overdoing the sail. I don't want to get matchy too much, then it doesn't look good. It does come with the black eyelids at the top. Over here we have that same black eyelid at the top. So another big difference between these two shoes is we look at the sock liners. So this is the regular standard tongue. It's very thick and puffy. As you see, the A Ma Maniere, it's kind of like thinned out. If we look at the side view, you can really see the difference right there. how thick that is versus the A Ma Maniere. They went for a more deconstruction look. It's really thin. There's not a lot of padding on the back. And then it has that quilted liner the A Ma Maniere is known for. This is one just has the thick black sock lining. It does feel a little bit thicker than normal. I do think that's a nice touch. Feels really nice around your ankle color. Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, because this is a problem that I'm having. I'm not sure. I never had this before with my Air Jordan 3s, but I don't know if it's just because this is a female shoe. For some reason why this toe tab in the back, it does scratch up my foot. And believe it or not, I wore them for the first time and it did give me kind of like a blister on the back, like these were cutting into my back of my ankle. Let me know if you have that problem. I haven't yet rocked these right here, but if we look at the back, let's look at this one doesn't have as much material. It almost comes up even with the material on the back of the heel. This one seems like the A Ma Maniere does have a little bit more material in between the tab and end of the shoe. Let's get a side-by-side comparison and tell a little bit more. And you can see that I've been wearing these and around right there it is a little bit rubbed off. Both of these do have perforated holes around the collar. I think that's just part of the design. Being that I already got these Jordan 3 black cements in my collection, do you think I need to pick up the other black cement that's releasing this year? And the crazy thing that this is actually, the A Ma Maniere is actually the third black cement releasing this year. As you know, we did have the black cement green glows that came out that are sitting right now again, and I think it's just because people know that the Jordan 3 black cement is coming out with that Nike Air branding on the back. I do think green glows was a nice pair, and I do like that color of green because I do have a Jordan 1 low that's similar to that. But being that I had already had this black cement off Noir in my possession, I didn't go for the green glows because, you know, Jordan 3 is my favorite silhouette. So, you know, once you already have either a black or white one, I don't think you need a lot of different ones, because in the end, like, if it's majority black or white shoe, that you can probably rock it with almost anything. So I think as long as you have one of each color in your collection, that's all you need to rock with almost everything you wear, especially if you like Jordan 3s. And let me know your thoughts in your comments. I'm pretty sure if I had to ask which one of these is your favorite, I'm pretty sure everyone's going to pick the more hype brand, A Ma Maniere versus the GR. But let me know, how do these stack up? And were you able to cop you a pair? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video, sneakerheads.
Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.